Hello everyone, this is Dolly from JD Live. Today I'm going to introduce a sleeping mask from HERA. This product. I will talk about the abilities and the effects that I experienced through these 2 months of usage. This sleeping mask is just a tester, as you can see, only 30 milliliter. I got this one when I purchased a HERA skincare set of toner, emulsion. It had some kind of sleeping mask like this one, and it had the new rosy setting cream just to try. However, nowadays I try to introduce more natural products, and this one is on the more natural side, on the more safe side of the skincare products. So instead of the other HERA products, I wanted to introduce this one. This time I cannot show the full package. This one is just a sample that I cut for purchasing some HERA cosmetics. Still though, it's 30 ml, quite bigger amount, so it has a long way to go. The original package is 80 ml for 45,000 Korean won. That is about $40 US. It's not a heavy, oily, but a gel-type textured sleeping mask, so the absorption is faster compared to other sleeping masks. The finish is also not heavy or oily, but silky and a bit shiny instead. In my opinion, heavy cream-type sleeping masks can moisturize the skin better. On the other hand, gel-type sleeping masks can absorb into the skin faster, and they don't leave an oily feeling behind. But still, it has a quite good moisturizing skill. Every single hair product I have ever tried has an extremely strong perfumey smell. Actually, I really don't understand why any skincare product would need fake smells at all. It's just too strong, bothering, doesn't make me feel it's safe. This product contains 2 unsafe and 4 moderate concern ingredient, but at least it has 0 allergenic and 0 high concern ingredient by the EWG. It has 6 different kind of natural ingredients. Compared to the worldwide average, this number is not that bad, but compared to the Korean one, this number is quite low. I give 5 points for the texture, the absorption and the finish, but I had to give 4 for the moisture, only 2 for the strong smell and 4 for the safety. It's altogether 25 points. I hope you enjoyed the testing. Now let's see how and when should you use this product. Since this one is a sleeping pack, obviously you need to use it at night. If you use it in the morning, you cannot really apply on any makeup products, and your skin would feel really heavy throughout the day. First, you need to cleanse your skin thoroughly. After that, apply on a toner, then essentials, lotion or moisturizer, and in the end, you can decide you want to use a cream and sleeping mask also together, or you can just skip the cream and use the sleeping mask instead. If you have a more dry skin, maybe it's a good idea to apply on a cream and a sleeping mask also. But if you have normal, oily or troubled skin type, I do not recommend you to use the cream. Instead, use only the sleeping mask. If you use this product every single day, it could be too heavy for your skin. But if you use it just once or twice a week, this cream can refill the hydration and the nutrition that you lost throughout the week. But don't forget, in the morning you need to cleanse off this sleeping mask really well. When I used HERA products at the first time, I was really upset because they use a lot of perfume in their cosmetics. Personally, I prefer if the smell is from natural products, natural ingredients such as lemon or orange, but if they directly use perfume, I really don't like it. Other than the strong bothering smell, I didn't experience any other bad effects of this product through this 1 or 2 months since I'm using it. I hope you enjoyed the video. If so, please give a thumbs up and subscribe to our new channel. Bye bye!